Today we are going to draw Bluey. We'll start by drawing a rectangle with rounded edges around here. Slowly draw the rectangle. Once you're done with the rectangle, we'll draw the ears. The ears are basically triangles. So around the middle, we'll start by drawing a straight line that goes up and comes to the side like this, and the other straight line that goes up here and comes to the middle like this. We'll draw another triangle inside it, 1 and 2 for the inner ears. Next, around the middle of the top portion in this rectangle, we are going to draw a oval for the eye. And we'll fill it in. Next, for the nose and mouth, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line, and at the end of the straight line we are going to draw a rounded triangle. Now, from the bottom of this rounded triangle, we are going to draw a curve that comes around here and ends right beneath the eye. We'll draw another curve for the end of the mouth there, and a parallel line here for the mouth. We'll draw a slanted line here for the teeth. Then for the other eye, we just have to draw a half oval here and a small half oval here for the eye. I'll erase the line that goes through the nose. Okay, for the right hand, it's going to be waving at us. So under the nose, we're going to draw outward curve and a bigger outward curve next to it. For the fingers, it's just going to be easy curves next to each other. There we go. And for the other hand, we're going to draw two slightly slanted lines around here and erase a little bit of the lower body and draw 1, 2 and 3 curves. Nextly, for the legs, we'll draw 1 and 2 parallel lines where the second line is slightly longer than the first one. We'll make the paw by making a curve to that end, and we'll connect it to this. Now we'll make 2 divisions. And for the other leg, we're going to draw 1 and 2 straight lines, while the second one is larger than the first one, and we'll finish it off with a curve and 2 divisions. For the tail, it's going to be an outward curve, 1 and 2, And we'll add one small curve, 1, 2, and 3. Then we'll add a small curve here, a half circle here, another half circle here. We'll add a big shape like this here to help us color. Then we'll make a small division here. So we are drawing all these small curves to help us color it. Then for the eyebrows, we are going to slightly erase the ear here and here and draw our eyebrows. It's going to be a oval. I'm going to draw a oval here and here. There we go. We have a Bluey. Now we are going to color it. So to color it, I'm going to take my violet color and I'm going to color the ears first. So I'll begin from the top, do it slowly inside the shape. It's okay if you make mistakes. It's okay if the color goes a little out of the bounds. Happens with everybody. We'll just try to be careful and do the coloring. Both the ears are done. Next, the area above the eye is going to be same color as well. I'm using the same violet. For that, I'm going to do it slowly. Making sure that it's inside the area. Now for the other side. Here we go. For the inner ear, we will choose a yellow color and we'll color it. Perfect. We'll use a super light blue for the eyebrows. Then for the majority of the body, it's light blue. So we'll take the light blue and we'll start coloring the body. So the part of this area is going to be blue and part is going to be slightly yellow. So I'm leaving out the area where I have to color yellow, and the rest of the area I'm coloring it blue. Not going to color the entire leg the same blue. Half of it's going to be this blue, the other half is going to be light blue, which I'll do it a little later. Next I'm finishing off the body and the hands here. Same for the hands. Not going to color it entirely. Oh, the other hand I colored it entirely blue. So I'll use an eraser and change its color a little later. There we go. All the blue's done. I'm going to take my light blue and I'm going to color the paws. The other leg as well. This hand. I'm going to take my eraser, slightly erase the blue here and add the light blue. We'll use the same light blue for the belly here. Now, for the two half circles and the rest of the tail, it's going to be the same violet. So we'll take the violet and fill them in. Since the shapes are too small, be a little careful. And yes, that's done. Now we'll take our yellow color and we'll finish off our nose. So we'll do it carefully. So wherever there are like free spaces, I'm doing it quickly. But when I'm next to another color, I make sure that I'm taking my time and doing it slowly. There has to be a slight yellow here as well. Under the mouth. There we go. And finally, I'll color the nose black. Maybe we'll leave it a small space and color it gray for some reflection. So I'll color this black. This area I'm going to color it gray. And there we go. We have our Bluey.